Hi everyone, I'm Alex Kim with Bay East Young Professionals Network Committee, also known as Bay East YPN. Our purpose is to provide and facilitate opportunities to future leaders through education, networking, and giving back. I was first introduced to Bay East YPN by my former colleagues, Corinne and Fran, who were the incoming chair and vice chair for Bay East YPN. And during that time, I was just there to support. I didn't know what YPN was. I didn't know what their purpose was or what role I'd be doing when I was, if I'd be a part of the committee. And after I stayed with YPN, I got to meet so many agents, I got to meet so many affiliates and build relationships with them. I also had the opportunity to fly out to Chicago where I met other YPNers or young professionals, and I had the opportunity to speak with them, have dinner with them, and learn from them. And that's what it's all about, is building relationship and continue to learn and share what you've learned. And it's a wonderful experience. But I love the giving back part. We've worked with some wonderful organizations to do events such as blood drive. We've done backpack drives, school supplies. We help transition students from Camp Wilmot Sweeney back to regular public school. And we've also held poker tournament where we raise scholarship funds for students seeking higher education. And you look at the faces of volunteers and the students. I mean, it's all worth it. It's fun. It's fun, and it's always nice to give back. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.